Recently, the Social Security Administration found itself in hot water over a new policy. The policy, set to be implemented on April 14th, required beneficiaries to verify their identities in person. The Social Security Administration, or SSA, stated that this change was aimed at combating fraud, an issue that has been prevalent within the system. It was a bold move, a move that was meant to ensure the integrity and security of the system. But as you might have guessed, not everyone was thrilled. This policy, however, was met with a wave of backlash. The backlash against the SSA's policy was swift and widespread. Lawmakers, advocacy groups, and recipients of Social Security benefits were quick to voice their criticisms. They spoke out against the undue burdens these changes could place on those most in need. A vivid symbol of this dissent were the protesters gathered outside the Edward A. Garmatz United States District Courthouse in Baltimore. Their message was clear: these changes could create unnecessary barriers for vulnerable populations. Amid the uproar, the SSA was forced to reconsider its policy. In response to the outcry, the SSA made a significant backtrack. Recognizing the challenges faced by beneficiaries, the agency pivoted, allowing certain applicants to confirm their identities over the phone. This modification, however, was not a complete policy reversal, but a partial backtrack. The move aimed to alleviate some of the barriers for vulnerable populations, while still striving towards their initial goal of combating fraud. Yet this adjustment was met with a mixed response. Some applauded the flexibility, while others questioned its adequacy. But the controversy around the SSA's policy change was far from over. Despite the backtrack, concerns about the SSA's policy change and its implications persist. The SSA nominee finds herself under the microscope, facing intense scrutiny over the decision to close field offices and reduce phone services. This has sparked a widespread debate over the impact of these changes on the social welfare program. Questions are being raised about the future of Social Security, a lifeline for countless retirees and children across the nation. As the dust settles, we are left to ponder the implications of these changes for the millions of Americans who depend on Social Security. Join our community of informed citizens. Subscribe to your daily dose of news and be part of the conversation.